Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are feeling good. Children, do you like to be bad children? No one like to be bad children because everyone like good children, isn't it? And I know my cuties are very good children. And what are the good qualities to become a good child? Behave well, don't tell lies, be honest, always be truthful, then don't cheat others, okay, don't tease others, we should not be quarrel with our friends, always tell truth. These are some of the good qualities. And have you heard the word honest? Honest is the best policy. Honesty and truthfulness are very important qualities that a person has to follow in his life. Okay, honest. And now see who is this one. Yes, he is a king. King, you know, king. Okay. He is trying to say something. Do you know what he says? Okay, he says he is very old and he wants to choose a king, next king for his country. That he says. Then he is thinking how he wants to choose a good and honest king. How he can find out an honest king. Okay, now let's learn. Let's hear a story. Okay? And what's the title of the story, you know? The Good Seed. The title of the story is The Good Seed. The story happens in China. Where it happens? In China. And see, what's the king's name, you know? King Chang. What's the name? King Chang. King Chang wanted to choose a good and honest king for his country because he is old. Okay. Then he got an idea to choose a good king for his country. He called all the children to his palace. He called all the children to his palace on the first day of spring season. Okay? Spring season, all the flowers will bloom in that season. And he gave a special seed to each child. A special seed to each child and asked them, you go to your home and plant this seed. This is a special seed. Then come back in next year. The person who can grow these seeds into the best flowers will become the next king. And all the children went back home. Ping. Who is Ping? Here he is. Ping. Ping is a small boy. A small good boy. And he also got the special seed and he filled his one pot with soil and planted the seed there. After many days, Ping checked his pot, but nothing happened. It did not sprout. Ping thought maybe it is small pot, and he changed the pot and filled a big pot with soil and replanted. Then again he checked. After many days, nothing happened. It not sprouted. The day came. The all children want to go to palace to show the flowers. Ping was so sad because his pot is empty. His father told, Ping's father told, "You did your level best. You can take this pot to the palace and tell the king what happened." Okay. And very sadly, Ping took the empty pot and went to the palace. And he saw all the children came there with their pots, and their pots are filled with beautiful flowers. And the king came there to check all the pots. King checked each one. He found Ping's pot is empty, and he took Ping's pot and called Ping and asked what happened. Ping said everything that happened. And the king became very happy. And he declared, "I found the next king. Ping is the next king." All of them wondered because his pot is empty, his seed did not sprout, then how he can become the king? The king said, "The seeds I gave were cooked. Cooked seed won't be sprout." Okay? Now who is honest one? Ping. Others cheated. Other children cheated and they changed the seed and they plant. Then it became flowers. But the king has given cooked seed. It won't be sprouted. Okay? But Ping is the truthful. Ping is the honest boy. Like that, King Chang found the next king for his country. Okay? So children, did you understand what is the best policy? Honesty is the best policy. Okay? We also should be very honest in our life. Okay, children, let's read the lesson in our textbook. Children, take your textbook and open page number 47. Lesson 5. The good seed. The good seed. Now let's do the warm up. Listen here. Dana steals a bottle of juice from the school canteen. Who steals the bottle of juice from the school canteen? Dana. Listen, Dana steals a bottle of juice from the school canteen. Then she tells a lie that Meera is the thief. Then she tells, who tells? Dana. Dana tells a lie. She tells a lie that Meera is the thief. Meera is the thief means Meera took the bottle of juice from the school canteen. Did she do the right thing or the wrong thing? What do you think, children? Did Dana do the right thing or the wrong thing? Tick the green circle or the red circle.
Tell the class which circle you ticked and why you ticked it. See, Dana steals a bottle of juice from the school canteen and Dana tells a lie that Meera is the thief. Right or wrong? What do you want? Tick the green circle or the red circle. Did she do the right thing? Right thing or wrong thing? It is wrong. So put a tick mark here. Okay? Because we should not tell lies. First of all, we should not steal. Then don't tell lies. Always be honest. Okay. Once upon a time in China, there lived a king named King. Once upon a time in China, there lived a king named Chang. What is the king's name? Chang. King Chang was very old. King Chang was very old. He wanted to choose a good and honest king to the throne. He wanted to choose a good and honest. Honest means what? What is the meaning of honest? An honest person always speaks the truth. An honest person never tells lies. He always speaks the truth. And here you have to listen one thing, children. See, honest. H is the first letter. Consonant or vowel? It is consonant. But why did used here? An honest. Actually, the first letter is H and we want to use A with consonant. But here used an because H is silent here. Don't read, don't pronounce honest. It is wrong. Not honest, honest, honest. So, the second letter we should consider. Second letter is O, so vowel sound. Then we want to use an honest. Okay. A good and honest king to the throne. How will I find such a person? Said King Chang. Then he had an idea. On the first day of spring. Spring means what? It's a season. Spring season and it's very beautiful season and we have already learned in the poem My Garden. Spring, about spring. All the flowers will bloom and birds will be very happy and the garden will be full of birds and butterflies. King Chang called all the children. That was his idea. King Chang called all the children in the kingdom to his palace. He gave each of them a special flower seed. A special flower seed and said, plant these seeds. Bring the plants to my palace next year. He gave each of them a special seed and told, plant these seeds. Bring the plants to my palace next year. They were asked, the person who can grow these seeds into the best flowers will become the next king. The person who can grow these seeds into the best flowers will become the next king. All the children went home with the special seeds. Ping, a small boy. Ping, a small boy also went home with a seed. He was very happy. Who was very happy? Ping, the small boy, was very happy. Why was Ping happy to get the flower seed? Because he loved plants. Because he loved plants. Ping loved plants. That's why he was very happy. Ping was very happy. Ping filled a flower pot with soil and planted the special seed. Then what he did? Ping filled a flower pot with soil and planted the special seed. Every day he watered the seed. Every day he watered the seed. Pot, water. But nothing happened. We know when we plant a seed, after 2 or 3 days it will sprout. It will come out. The baby plant will come out. But nothing happened here. The plant did not sprout. The meaning of sprout means begin to grow. Come out the small plants, small leaves, that is sprout. He put the seed into a bigger pot with more soil. He thought maybe the pot is small. So he changed the pot and took a bigger pot with more soil. Still nothing happened. Then also nothing happened. Ping became very sad. Ping became very sad. At the end of the year, his pot was empty. After 1 year, king has asked to bring it to palace. But at the end of the year, his pot was empty. Ping's pot was empty. Soon spring came. All the children took their pots to the king. Their pots had beautiful flowers. All the children took their pots to the king and their pots had beautiful flowers. Only Ping had an empty pot. But Ping's pot was empty. He did not want to go to the palace with it. He did not want to go to the palace with empty box. Children, here we stop. Okay, read the lesson very well. Thank you.